and try to make man look like an idiot.
Never make you look like an idiot.
Then come run and talk about who you alright be.
Never make you look like an idiot.
Sorry, you know. And the way you don't say sorry, would that be like you tell a charge you, I'm sorry for the over your own. I'm going to tell you this, you. I respect it and I'm not even blood clot no more fucking self. I don't even see
you. Wouldn't tell me what you say.
Respect your dog to the teeth to all. I not even want your company internet come chat negative. I just want you know you.
But me I try
to all me respect you, I know say if anything go down with my mother, I know say you're the first person for booms now go defend her. So me in my state, right time mind, can you think in my right time mind? I go say yo babes, leave that alone. Because I don't want nobody a swing by your blood clot name and a chat.
You want me when I talk
listen man, anything you talk about, you talk about. Me I tell you my discretion. Then can cuss and call me a different thing and tell me say me set and or call me because I don't care. Me don't say what me want to say if my mother take it in a fear way, she would take it in a fear way. You as my man, easy if your blood them easy if you call up your blood clot name. That's why I never want you to say no.
You see, cause you never
if
observe
you see a boy and diss them. Me never, you don't say what you say on the internet, me never see enough to say it. Me come round here and me say, me, just left it this up. You don't tell me, say, you're hurt. Me now go on the life, I say nothing. And me come some booms and I see a run and still attack and me I say, oh, you just tell me, say, no, I say nothing on the life. Then me hear run and talk about you and I say, right, but I don't tell B, say, I time B start talk about you and I say, B, left that now. Oh, you can't tell me more to say. I tell you, you chat too much. I am sorry for telling you that you chat too much. I am sorry for disrespecting you. I was only trying to protect you from what I know what the outcome of.
There is nothing to protect me from.
Nobody now goes to red dance right, red dance this, red dance that, I never call the baby.
Point is, you never understand what I'm talking about.
Silent is the best way if you turn away all. What would I say? You don't know that's
see if me never talk. You see if me never talk.
Remember, you know.
When you listen to me before you talk again.
Me
you see if hold on. You see if
yeah, my man.
Hold on.
If a girl comes so and touch you and say them I go fight you, you go want to fight them. If you turn to me and say be a back down, I go back down because you say so. Me as a woman come to you and me say be back down, you're not back down.
You not listen to me I say. You not listen to me I say.
You say you have to defend me in certain manner. When you already know the outcome of certain things on the internet,
yeah.
Me I turn to you and I say, babe, no, one day of life, don't talk about that, just do you. Isn't it? Me never come for disrespect you. Me never come for tell you say, oh, no, defend me. Me just tell you say, babe, just love that and want me. Isn't it?
And then we are different character, not only on TikTok, listen. I mean, when you get me now. For the past month and a half, we've been done with peace. You're reunited with your mother. May I talk to you, Caan?
Reunite with your mother, yes. What? Reunite with your mother.
Yeah, we are reunited with your mother and Gary and them like a style and things, you know. Negative blow off of trucks in a sense. You would post a video and the mind game push negative towards you again. Seeing? I talk to you about that half year. Don't? We never speak about this till today. I say you realize what you there do because you want to hear people now gonna understand mind game to a certain level because I use intelligence, bro. Now so on a dunce, bro, but certain things on a now gonna understand. See, if me not point it out to you. You see me? Because intelligence man I use, brother. Me I point out that to you half year. Tonight, him do the same thing again. Man I run joke about your sister and your people them, bro, we not in the picture, none at all. You say what you say and talk about DoorDash when they never was calling your sister DoorDash, but the media change the thing to say you call your sister DoorDash. Because in the argument, the people go listen back, bro, because people use negative narrative easier for travel more than positive, bro. You see, if then you listen when you say, you try to use my sister like a DoorDash. The metaphor where I go off for my friend. Yeah, show them say much I use my sister and disguise and nobody now see it, brother. Change after that. Tonight, your argument na night. See? You might try force it in your mother head and you not realize when me catch up on. Oh, your blood. Can't call her DoorDash and me can't say it. And that me come on and have talk about it. I'm not give a fuck about your mother, I'm not give a fuck about your sister. You know? Me and push the narrative where the man try force in your mother head for you and go at it. For you and your sister go at it. For them sit down one side and I say, buckler, you know, say, a real thing. Anna first this me, you know. So if him say it, not for wrong. Bro, listen to me now, man. The man doing thing, brother, and come out and say you a joke you make. If a joke you make, you go say you watch an Annie, sorry. Now make it go no further, because you know honesty. Now make it go no further, done it so. A joke me around, my mother. Done it done. The you turn and say, your blood say it first when he never said DoorDash, he said 7 crib. Meds when me then a man. Yes, you say a negative in the man that try to push towards it because he come see with the pan ranking where they my friend and them little thing there. It's not about a man been making money, you know. Yes. It's a whole lot, no? It's about emotion of bringing down a person or make the negative narrative come in back, my friend. Meds, no? The world no might see it in about me see it, bro. Me see it. Me tired of the negative run here. Full 100. When me turn on the live, 100% me think you're not gonna stop talk. That's why me turn on the live. So when you continue to talk, me not gonna argue with you. Only single thing me I gonna do, I just laugh out it, brother. Even when you say the worst set of things then.
May I talk about something, right?
Yeah.
I have to turn on the light. Was that respectful?
I mean, if it's respectful, I mean, no, say don't
disrespectful.
No, Alia, you just disrespected me.
That's disrespectful.
You just disrespected me 5 minutes ago. That's not, bro. To turn on my life cannot be disrespectful. Yes, sorry if you get the tone of voice, but I am saying to you, there's no way at all. This, Alia, you can't disrespectful to turn on the life. Me think say you gotta stop talk, bro.
Very disrespectful. When you hear me still I speak and go up on the live because.
Yeah.
In spite of all of that, when you did say for Miss Triple Life the necessary.
What did I say?
When you did say for Miss Triple Life the necessary.
Listen what I say for Miss Triple Life.
You
want to hear me say for Miss Triple Life?
If you were aiming for that narrative that you speak of, and me the round here so, the pan a wrong part, why you was a big man to step off of your fucking life and say you'll be chill?
If me come
if you did rate me, wait no big man to make you talk.
Alright.
If you did rate me, you say I'm a man, I'm a baby father. You would have step off of this live here where you're in love with because me wouldn't do that.
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't go live?
None.
Okay.
I would turn on my light, turn off the mute and turn it down so just to make you feel like I'm depending to see what you're going to do. But me never would have sit down for a bumbuck like life or have you in the background and cuss and a ball.
Yeah.
You see me that?
Yeah,
when me tell you this, brother, you can't cover up the fact that you are heartless. And everything what you do since night, you meaningfully do it. Okay. Me a woman we lay down side that. We talk and we reason. And you tell me say little buck up like this you can't come off a life and reason with Ali about. You did have to come and this have to make them come bring me down and say, oh, are you are the problem? You know how it feels to be talking even to your own partner. Nobody in a blood clot listen. You know how it feels for them your own blood clot or so your man come like one fucking stranger to you? You know that feel?
Are you man?
Why the least little thing when me and you argue, you have to say something when hurt Alia. Why? Because me say you chat too much, you're too much, I'm sorry for that. All me did want to do, I leave the argument alone.
What was the argument about?
You see me?
What was the argument about?
About you trying to show your point of view about the situation that Jaden has said.
Not no situation. I never did not talk about Mika. I never did not talk about your mother.
About this situation with Jaden.
I am talking about people pushing negative towards me and you, bro.
Alright,
that's
you say you didn't talk about
your mother said much.
Why you never stop?
Your mother said much.
Why you never? You're live. Why you never stop and say, B, I'm not playing me about, you know, I'm not then.
Because you're not listening to me.
Why you not just chill?
You never listen to me.
You not do that. You dey run around. I'm gonna waste the time and cost the people. See you down for your life, I'll play a match.
You can ask the chat and say that.
Why you ask the chat and me and you then right as a baby? I see you. You don't like me. I swear.
My life. She's right. She's right and stuff. Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna jump on the first triple chat. First triple, guys. We're gonna jump on the first triple.
What going user?
Guys, thank you. Everybody at the top, guys. Thank you.
You see the other chart right? Yeah, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it right now. Let's see it.
I will have mad somebody. Well, I'm gonna mad somebody first. I would have mad somebody. Alright, I left you look a bit before me run here. Wait, me so run. I wanna save that. Alright, block. Alright, my block. You're able to see black. Okay, thank you, man.
Time to know. I'm gonna catch this. Catch this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, me I block them, man. Me I block out backside. Guys, you know I make it just speed in a chat. Everybody drop a rose chat. Me nah sub no chat. Chat me I beg on everybody catch his speed. Sim, what's up? Thank you, baby. Thank you. Guys, double tap on this seminar, please. God and merciful note.
Eh? Okay. No problem.
Chat, beg on the sump on the triple chat. Triple my side. What do you do? Chat, me I beg on the sump on the triple. Triple, guys. Chat, use a triple for me, no chat.
I'm taking
He said, go and chop off with them. Y'all go suck out your mother. Come use the come with the dogs pussy. I want to know what?
Me blocky person.
The people can go suck with the woman.
Me blocky person before you even start cussing. I have nobody on the internet. Remember, say good, say nobody not like me. I have everybody a disrespect you. Cool. You tell man, you can come off for the life, yeah?
Yeah, me I come after in a couple minutes. Alright, come on, tell Anna later, yeah?
literally just block that person there a while ago. As me see it, no block a person. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I said so long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I said so long, farewell to you, my friend. What your problem?
Oh, good night, farewell is you, my friend. When I go ride up your blood clot bike and farewell. When I go ride up your bed, your blood clot bike and farewell. When I go ride up your bike and farewell. Eh? When I go ride.
Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you, brother. No, mash up
your
your
blood clot self. Yeah, go look your blood clot,
yeah.
But good night, farewell is you, my friend. You feel like somebody a idiot?
Just by that.
You feel like somebody, who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Eh? Who gives a fuck? This important. This are important. This are that they important. Eh? That they important.
And you think that don't make sense?
Me come to you and me say me done. Yeah, sit down and just start saying good night, farewell is you, my friend.
People them.
The people them not understanding now.
Any life.
Me understanding now. A style, yeah, style, me and Daniel. Me there too much time, me not see I do me things and me never come on the internet, bro. Me never come on the internet, brother. I come on the internet for go try bumbo club, make me look at you, dog. Me never come on the internet, brother. From my back, brother. Too much things to me, bro. Me never come on the internet. Me never come on the internet, brother. Never come on the internet, bro. Never dare say, brother. How am I there, dog? No matter what subject your blood clot of, me know it. Blood clot, see this again, yeah? But you was here there with me through my pregnancy and every blood clot thing, bro. I do this stuff to me, right? That's before. The way you do around this stuff. I say, oh, I say, sorry. Still come around and say they feel alive. And I say, if you don't have to make all of them in a comment section and disrespect me. And you say, you are up for me. I cannot even look at me and say 2 words, bro. You don't even look at me and say nothing, brother.
Look where you just do a while ago.
I don't look at me and say nothing, brother.
Look where you just do a while ago.
You look at me and say nothing, bro. It's alright.
Yesterday you spent 5,000 and buy that something.
It's alright. What to do?
You mash up a charger.
What to do?
Charger them, you fling them over
What
there.
to do?
What?
What to do? You want me find the money?
You say you done a while ago.
You want me find the money?
What money
and give you
involved
back?
in this?
You want me give you back your money?
I know, Alea. You don't respect me for real.
Oh.
You don't respect me for real, man.
Oh.
You search it, you don't want to look at it, but you don't respect.
Respect.
You don't respect me, Alea.
Respect.
Chacha youth.
I know you're alone, brother.
Chacha youth.
I know you're alone.
Tell us you're going to do something you can't come back
I know
on.
you're alone. Everything what me do, I don't know what me do tonight. If you say me I go break up, and nobody, you not even look for me, bro. I see him on the same fucking live there, and I'm me. Me not no respect, me not no nothing.
If me never depend on live,
Everything
me
good, me sorry, brother. I go buy back your charge everything.
Bye,
Don't worry
man.
yourself, bro. I want to know, man.
My life sad, therefore.
Don't worry yourself.
Life sad, bro. Charge a mash up, ring light mash up, knee mash up. Then now you wrap up chooks and carry him go door. Regular. And then if you walk you down and find you which part you're there in hours and night with the picnic. Well,